normal for the first 30 minutes.
Maybe like 30 seconds.
Passing out the water. It's like
In the
feeding the
rain.
birds. Like you set your hand out like this and they just go. And you're like, wow, what happened? And then the rain continues. And my hands turn blue. My face. Michelle's so blue.
I am blue.
But our hair.
You like that?
Yeah.
Like it? Yeah, me too.
Pretty awesome. For today, we will say never again. I may do it again. If it's not rain. Rain pouring.
Can't think, brain melted.
My brain is melting. Wow. That's a lot of water. Our
We
cups
had like
were like
6
this
layers
full.
of clothes on, and they are all soaking
And,
wet.
oh yeah, yes. Cups, we fill like this much. Big cup, like this big. Fill it up like this much. Then, by the time some of the runners got there, it rained so much, it was pouring over. And there were some that were like a cup this big, full this big.
This big, this big.
No, Michelle doesn't want to do it again. I don't like the cleanup part.
I don't like any part today.
You can tell my voice is almost gone. I was like, woo!
I'm gonna
Yeah!
have pneumonia.
You're doing great!
Pneumonia.
Or double ear infection.
Yeah.
What she kept claiming.
I'm gonna call my husband.
Peace out.